Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the difference between two squares. This fundamental algebraic concept involves subtracting one perfect square from another. The general form is a squared minus b squared, where a and b represent any numbers or algebraic terms. Understanding this pattern is crucial for simplifying expressions and solving equations efficiently. It's a special type of binomial that appears frequently in mathematics. Once you identify a difference of two squares, the next step is to factor it. The factored form is always open parenthesis a minus b close parenthesis times open parenthesis a plus b close parenthesis. This works because when you multiply these two binomials, the middle terms cancel out. For example, x squared minus 9 factors into open parenthesis x minus 3 close parenthesis times open parenthesis x plus 3 close parenthesis. This factorization simplifies complex expressions. Let's apply this formula with a numerical example. Consider 10 squared minus 5 squared. Instead of calculating 100 minus 25, which is 75, we can use the formula. This becomes open parenthesis 10 minus 5 close parenthesis times open parenthesis 10 plus 5 close parenthesis, which simplifies to 5 times 15, also 75. This method is incredibly useful for quickly simplifying both numerical and algebraic problems, saving you time and effort in calculations. When working with the difference of two squares, remember a few key tips. Always ensure both terms are perfect squares and that there's a subtraction sign between them. A common mistake is forgetting the plus and minus signs in the factored form. For instance, x squared plus 9 is not a difference of squares. Double-check your work by multiplying the factored terms back out to ensure they return to the original expression. This helps avoid errors and builds confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.